How to contact support on Upwork. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To contact your support on Upwork, you can go ahead and type in Upwork help or search for support.upwork.com, which will redirect you to its official homepage. In the Help Center, you can go ahead and browse through the articles relating with the issue, after which you'll be able to find necessary solution through the article. If you want more personalized support, you can tap on the three horizontal line at the top in the left-hand corner. Then head over and select on Contact Support. Now in here you can check the community, where you can connect, share, and learn with the Upwork community. If not, you can go ahead and browse for the courses and tools for helping you. Now, if none of this actually works for you, you can tap on Chat with Support, in which you can just type in your issue and chat with the Upwork help agent. By this way, you'll be able to contact support on Upwork. You have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.